Installing Docker Engine on Ubuntu. Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to learn how to install Docker Engine on Ubuntu LTS using the official installation method provided by Docker. If you already have an older version of Docker or any related packages installed, we'll start by removing them to avoid any conflicting packages during the installation process. Step 1. Remove older versions. We'll begin by copying the first command from the official documentation. This command removes any older Docker packages or related components that might conflict with the latest installation. As described in the official Docker documentation, we'll install Docker using the apt repository. Install using the apt repository. For the first time on a new host machine, you need to set up the Docker apt repository. Afterward, you can install and update Docker from the repository. This means that before installing Docker on a new machine, we first need to configure Docker's official apt repository. Once it's configured, future installations and updates can be performed directly from that repository. Step 2. Update the package index. Next, we'll update the package index using apt update. This ensures that our system has the latest package information before we install Docker. Step 3. Install the required dependencies. Before installing Docker, we need to install a few required packages. Curl is used to download files from the internet. CCAL certificates allows the system to verify secure HTTPS connections. gnupg is used to verify the authenticity of Docker's official packages. Step 4. Create the keyrings directory. Next, we'll create a directory to store repository signing keys. Docker's official gnupg key will be stored in this location. Step 5. Download Docker's official gnupg key. Now we'll download Docker's official gnupg key. This key allows apt to verify that the packages we're installing come directly from Docker and haven't been modified. Step 6. Set the correct permissions. Next, we'll grant read permissions to the key file. This allows the apt package manager to access the key during package installation. Step 7. Add the Docker repository. Now we'll add Docker's official apt repository to our system. By using Docker's official repository, we'll always install the latest supported version, instead of relying on the version available in Ubuntu's default repositories, which may be outdated. Step 8. Update the package index again. After adding the new repository, we'll run apt update one more time. This refreshes the package list, so Ubuntu can recognize the newly added Docker repository. Step 9. Install Docker. Now we're ready to install Docker. This command installs the following components: engine CLI, container buildx, plugin compose plugin. These are the core components required to work with Docker. Step 10. Verify the Docker service. Once the installation is complete, we'll verify that the Docker service is running. If the status shows active, running, the installation was successful. Step 11. Run the first container. Now it's time to run our first container using the Hello World image. If the image isn't already available locally, Docker will automatically download it from Docker Hub and run it. If you see the Hello from Docker message, it confirms that Docker has been installed successfully and is working correctly. Step 12. Run Docker. Without sudo by default, Docker commands require sudo privileges. If you'd like to run Docker commands without typing sudo every time, you can add your current user to the Docker group. After running the command, either log out and log back in, or use gnupg docker to apply the new group membership. Final step. Let's verify the Docker version using the docker -- version command. We'll also take a look at a few commonly used Docker commands: Docker info to display Docker system information, Docker ps to list running containers, Docker images to display downloaded images. You'll notice the hello-world : latest image, which was downloaded automatically when we tested our Docker installation. And that's it. We've successfully installed Docker Engine on Ubuntu 22.04.5 LTS using Docker's official installation method. In the next video, we'll learn the difference between a Docker image and a Docker container, and we'll deploy our first real application using Docker. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.